Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all keeping well. So in today's video I'm coming to you guys with a very short video, and as you are aware that today was a release of the sister collection, of course, by James Charles, and I was very excited to purchase this collection. So I went into the Morphe website and I tried to buy the whole entire collection. Unfortunately, only to find out that they actually sold out of the whole entire collection. OM to the G, I am sister shock. And I believe they sold out like within a second because I was there on time. I was on the website just on time. And yeah, everything was gone. Anyway, I hope they will restock it soon because I really want to try this collection. I mean, after seeing all the reviews that has been happening on our YouTube community, I really want to try the whole entire collection. So yeah, like I said, I hope they will restock it soon. So anyway, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.